Any mention?
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, seek your permission to mention item 23 of the hearing list.
23?
23, my lord. This is that matter, if Lordship recalls, the review petition filed by petitioner to review 2009.
Order, yes.
So Lordship had...
It's been settled?
No, my lord. Lordship on the last occasion had observed in Lordship's order that there is no merit, but instructed me to see if insurance company can sort of waive off the condition. Regional office, my lord, is finding it difficult to take that decision. It's been sent to the head office. Some time is required.
Yes, you're for the
petition.
Yes, there's a request of the counsel for the respondent. This matter of 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Alleged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, that this matter may come off after 1 week, Your Lordship.
My Lordship, just kindly you may just reflect that no further adjournment may be sought because this twice tried.
You have objection 26. You have for a petitioner or for a respondent?
I pulled a petitioner actually.
Then?
Oh, sorry.
Then we will hear it if you have
Apologies,
objection.
Let it be after 1 week. Because we need to seek instruction, Your Lordship.
For what instructions regarding?
I have no clue, but then let this matter may come up after
What's the
1
matter
week.
about?
This is
It's a
regarding pension. There is
pension
an order, already a detailed order has been passed actually, Lordship. In the order dated 19/11/2024 and 17/12/2024. Nothing
Mention has
remains.
been made on behalf of the respondent. The counsel for the respondent today has prayed for some accommodation. Stop. However, the counsel for the petitioner has raised objections. So according to the matter of the 1 week for hearing is next week we'll take it up.
Oblige, Your
Just
Lordship.
reflect that no further adjournment. Adjournment next time they will come in again. I will ask
That's
that.
for the court. You remind the court.
Lordship,
You don't dictate the order. Yes.
Lordship, yes, Lordship. Much blessed, Lordship.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 22, my lord. This matter can be listed after 2 weeks, my lord.
There's nothing 22.
My lord,
Very small point.
right. My lord, today I have some difficulty, my lord. Let it come up after 2 weeks.
No objection, Lord.
There's nothing here. It's at the request of the counsel to appel this matter for 2 weeks. Yes.
Oblige.
Please, Lordship. I beg to mention item 21.
Why?
Lordship, I prefer 2 weeks' time. The conducting counsel has some personal difficulty, Lordship.
Yes.
The conducting counsel has some personal difficulty, Lordship.
Who's on the counsel?
Miss Sawian, Lordship. CB Sawian.
What's the matter about?
It's a pension matter, Lordship.
You're not interested in getting pension?
I am interested, Lordship.
Yes. 2 weeks. No objection.
No objection. Oblige, Lordship.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25.
What's the matter about? You're the petitioner.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
You have objection.
No objection.
What's the matter about?
It's regarding the pension.
No adjournment pension matters actually.
Lordship, as per the last order, we need to seek some clarification.
How much more time you need?
Since
One week? Okay, this of 2 weeks, yes. As the learned GA, as the GA stung, as the GS learned GA seeks more time to obtain instructions. Stop when it's a matter of 2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
This is matter before any other bench heard me. Yes.
Out. Actually.
I just also.
Daily list, item number 1.
Yes.
Please,
Yes.
Your Lordship, may this matter be called at the end of the board. At the end of the board.
Only that MSP Barasai has raised objections with regard to the.
Your Lordship, Mr. Sen is on his way.
Who's on his way?
Mr. Sen.
He's coming to court
Yes, Your Lordship.
after some time. You want to make him file appeal?
Yes.
Yes.
Item number 2.
My Lord, would have a look at the page 42 of the affidavit filed by the respondents.
Page?
42, my Lord. They say that the matter is still under consultation of the ministry as far as implementation is concerned.
Yes. Yes.
This is keeping to, my Lord, this redesignation thing of the ciphers. my Lord.
Right.
Or in fact, by this affidavit at para 10, my lord, page 7. We request for some more time, my lord. At page 7, my lord, the last sentence. Hence, the respondent prays the Honorable Court may please to grant 3 months additional time to the respondent for implementation of the judgment.
So, Mr. Pathak,
My Lord,
when was this affidavit filed?
30th of January.
January.
They are implementing it, only that the seeking time.
My Lord, it seems to be the tenor in the affidavit, but the letter, my Lord, is somehow we're not being able to understand what they are meaning by this.
Whatever
particular-
we'll give, whatever stated in affidavit. Yes, Dr. N. Mozika, while referring to the affidavit filed on behalf of the respondents, has submitted that further 3 months' time is sought to comply with the order dated
1/5/24.
1/5/2024. Stop. Next part, Mr. B. Pathak, Learned Counsel, has however raised certain doubts with regard to the intention of the respondents and has referred to Annexure 3 of the affidavit, which he submits is Annexure 3, correct?
Yes, madam.
Which is not clear with regard to the implementation of the orders. Stop. Next paragraph. Having heard learned counsels, be that as it may, as the prayer has been made for compliance of the orders, this is matter after 8 weeks.
10
It's
weeks.
expected
10 weeks.
10
madam,
weeks
I think.
expected by next date the order should have been complied with. Yes.
Item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship?
The jointer file.
No, Your Lordship, I'm praying for some more time to
How
file
many
the
times
jointer.
you've taken?
Today is the third time.
Third time.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. List matter for hearing. Petitioner permitted last opportunity to file the jointer in the meanwhile.
3 weeks time. I'm praying 3 weeks time.
No.
Yes, Your Lordship.
4.
Yes. The jointer is not by right. Court keeps on saying. Yes.
Just pass me that file.
Your Honor, the pleading is complete in this matter, Your Honor.
You ready for the hearing?
Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm appearing for respondent number 1, my lord.
Number 1, you are the
I am for the Axis Bank
Axis
Limited, my
Bank.
lord.
What's the matter about?
It's with regard to the petitioner is the wife, and the bank account was with the amount and the bank account number and the amount is in the custody of the bank, which they are not revealing to the petitioner. So we have filed this petition so that to obtain a succession certificate also we need the amount and the account number.
You are the legally wedded wife.
Yes, I am legally wedded.
They are objecting to that. What is your case?
May I submit, my lord? My lord, in brief, my lord, the bank is the custodian of public money, my lord, first of all. Now, my lord, the writ petitioner at page number 10, prayer number 2 of her petition Your Lordship may kindly peruse. Prayer number 2 at page number 10, my Lord. To direct the respondent number 1 and 2 to disclose the amount lying in the bank account of deceased husband of petitioner number 1. So that is her prayer, my Lord. Now, my Lord, as a bank, we don't know who is she. She is neither the nominee as per the statement of bank, nor she has produced any legal heir certificate showing herself as the legal heir of the deceased account holder. At present, the position is as such, my Lord. Neither she is the nominee, nor she has produced any certificate entitling her and her daughter to know about the account details of our customer. First of all, she has to submit the legal heir certificate if she is the legally married wife of the account holder, deceased account holder. She has failed to do so.
What is your, on what basis are you trying to get this information from the bank?
Your Honor, I'll draw your Honor attention to Annexure 2, page 15.
Page 15.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
The deceased person in the column name of the husband or wife, it's my name is reflected, Your Honor. Even in the annexure 1, Your Honor, the birth certificate is there where my name is reflected as the mother.
Mother of?
Mother of petitioner number 2, and father name is.
Let's see what pleadings you made. You never married legally?
It was under customary laws. The family, both the family blessed together, and.
Do they have? Does he have any other wife?
No.
The deceased person? No.
No.
Clear to say this.
Yes, Your Lordship.
He has not a wife?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then why is saying he has no other wife? You also are a co-claimant.
I'm for the respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
Lordship number 3 is the sister, Your Honor.
You already been. You're the sister?
Sister, Your Honor. Sister was the nominee.
Sister was the nominee?
Sister, actually what happened, Lordship?
The sister has a full right. The bank is well within its own,
Lordship,
right to reject you then.
Lordship, sister was mentioned as the nominee, Lordship. But Lordship, if in the nominee's role is very, Lordship, if today actually I thought like it will be posted for hearing, further hearing, because the pleading is complete.
There's
so
nothing
there's
nothing that prevents the court from disposing of matter at any stage.
Yes, Lordship, but there I did not carry today that the few judgments are there, Lordship, where it is stated that nominee is also a custodian, and she can her right is also to distribute the amount or the property to the legal heirs
in
equally.
most cases, once a nominee is there, the bank doesn't even ask for a succession certificate.
But the amount is
settled schedule,
but the amount if it is amount is less, it's okay. Amount is huge in this case, Your Honor.
Amounted to how much?
In one of the bank, amount is approx 1 crore, and in one of the bank they have in HDFC they have disclosed is 7 lakhs. But in Axis it is approximately 1 crore, because
So
entire life insurance is
with the bank.
Yes, Lordship. It is under debit free, Lordship.
And it is the entire life insurance of the deceased person. Lordship, I have enclosed the life insurance. Once the disease expired, all the life insurance of the disease has already gone to that bank, Your Honor, the Axis Bank.
The nominee has not come forward to claim the bank for the amount.
Lordship, at present we have marked the account under debit freeze.
Okay.
So whoever gets the succession certificate,
We'll take
we are the only custodian, Lordship. Whoever gets the certificate, they will get it. And your Lordship kindly peruse para number 13.
So it's not ready. He's at a disadvantage.
Lordship.
When do you want it?
Lordship.
Tomorrow.
Lordship, tomorrow. Okay, Lordship, tomorrow.
It will be
no
difficult for me to come from Guwahati tomorrow. Lordship. If your Lordship kindly allow me.
Yes. When? After 2 weeks?
Lordship, except Wednesday, any day. Except Wednesday, any day, Lordship, subject to my friends.
Yes.
First week of March, Lordship, if it is
subject to my friends.
Parties submit the please complete this matter of hearing on so and so. We take the date.
Respondent number 2, Your Lordship. Kindly
Yes, one number 3,
record my
Mr. Marpan.
Number 2.
Number 2. 3 is Pala.
Item number 5.
Obliged, Lordship.
Here, my lord, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, my lord, to file my rejoinder.
How many times you prayed?
This is the second time.
Lordship, I last time also I submitted that infructuous.
In my opinion, my lord, it has not.
So what do you have to say in your rejoinder?
My lord, they say that I did not even participate in the selection process. This is completely false.
You're appearing for whom?
I'm appearing for
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
The state, my lord, has
Yes,
declined
you're
to file
appearing 3
any.
and 4, that is the Meghalaya Boxing Association.
Yes.
And number 4 is he's the president of the Meghalaya Boxing Association.
Yes.
Yes, nothing to say.
We have not filed any because
They have not filed,
main
they have
grievance is
declined.
also against the concerned respondents.
You didn't take part in selection also?
No, he did, my lord, but he was abjectly, my lord, refused to even a chance of fair participation. My lord.
You file it, I mean, I don't know whether...
But since there is a categorical, my lord, say on their part that I did not participate, I have to refute that, my lord. Maybe by
Lordship, Lordship, if my annexures,
It's all
Lordship.
right, let him file rejoinder then. Yes, last opportunity to file rejoinder allowed to the petitioner and it's up to 2 weeks.
All right.
Item number 6.
Lordship, rejoinder has been filed. Now the matter may be posted for hearing. Lordship. Pleadings are complete.
File submitted please complete this not for hearing after 2 weeks. Yes.
7.
Lord, we've just been served with a copy of affidavit filed on behalf of.
We are filing in the course of the day.
Yes.
We have served a copy. We are filing in the course of the day.
It's not Dr. N. Mozika for
R4.
number 4.
4.
What about state?
State has filed, my lord.
Submits that the affidavit on behalf of the said respondent final course of the day. Well, this is the matter of a for rejoinder of any. Yes.
8.
Well, in number 8, there are.
Yes.
But the affidavit is yet to be filed by the respondents here, my lord.
But in fact, there are 5 respondents in this matter, my
So
lord.
what is this miscase?
Well, we filed for striking out the name of Assam Rifles, my lord. Respondent number 3 and 4.
Yes. Why do you object to striking out the names? Asapa?
My lord, because the very report, my lord, which was prepared by the my lord, respondent who is seeking to strike off, my lord, the report which they prepared is a part is under challenge before this honorable court, my lord.
That's not correct, my lord.
On what basis they have
So they
prepared
say
the
that they
report?
appeared before 3 and 4 for the detailed medical examination.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
My lord, what is under challenge is the review medical examination. Review medical was conducted by BSF, my lord.
By BSF?
By BSF, page 56B, my lord. Lordship kindly say.
It is
So you can just be a floating respondent. You don't need to, contest also.
Well, because their instruction is that we are responding, we have to file affidavit for Assam Rifles, my lord.
Then you say you won't file. You say that. We record your submissions. But you appear with BSF also. Then, yes, objections have been filed to the application for striking out.
My lord, what would frame, my lord? Let Assam Rifles be struck out. BSF, I am already there. If they succeed, they'll succeed.
It is their report which has.
See, I think there is connection. First, because they had appeared before 3 and 4 for the detailed medical examination. A review is always of, a prior medical examination. So if in the chain, of circumstances or events, you had conducted the first examination, second BSF, what's the harm when you just, you can go along for the ride. That's all. You don't need to make any submissions. Yes, an objection been filed to the application for striking off the response number 3 and 4. from the array of parties. Stop. It is submitted by Ms. S. Thapa, Learned Counsel for the writ petitioner, that the respondent 3 and 4 are necessary parties in the sense that writ petitioner had initially appeared before the said respondents for a detailed medical examination on 13/9/2024, wherein he was found medically unfit. Stop. Next one, Dr. N. Mozika, learned DSGI with so-and-so, submits that the review medical examination was conducted by the BS authorities, and the respondents 3 and 4 have no further role to play in the matter. Stop. Having heard the submissions, considering the nature of the case, though the response 3 and 4 may not be necessary parties for the full adjudication of the matter, perhaps they, but however, they may be retained as formal parties. Accordingly, the application for impleading is rejected, and the miss case disposed of. In the main matter,
I'm praying for some time, my lord, on behalf of the other response.
On behalf of respondent number
1, 2, and 5.
main matter, Dr. M. Mozika, on behalf of respondent 1, 2, and 5, please was allowed for the 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Just that after.
The respondents are wrongly numbered in the petition. There are 2 respondent number 3s.
2 respondent number 3 has been corrected.
Number 9.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have already taken step for respondent number 6 and 7. You waited for the status report, Your Lordship.
Your appearing, Mr. K.P. Barsaji, 4125. Office note indicates that service is not. Office indicates that ED card not been received on behalf of 6 and 7. Petitioner prays was allowed to obtain status report or service. What about the other respondent?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent 8.
Yes.
I'm praying for some time, Lordship, to file an affidavit.
Number 1 to 5. Lord, I'm praying for some time. Mr. K.P. Barsaji for 1 to 5 and MS D. Cruz for 8. Praying for 3 weeks. Praying allowed for the 2 weeks time to file affidavit. List thereafter on some.
Bless you, Lordship.
10.
List thereafter, list thereafter on so for affidavits and for service report on the response 6 and 7, please.
Item number 10, 11, and 12 are all against the Transport Corporation for release of the retirement benefits. We may be granted 5 months time.
Number?
10, 11, and 12.
5 months.
13.
Not the government was required to take instruction and
who is appearing for the state? What's the matter about?
But here we be praying for regularization, my lord. I've been working in a certain post for the since, my lord.
Teacher?
No, my lord. Oh. Yes, assistant teacher, my lord. I've been working since 2006, my lord.
It appears from record, my lord, Mr. J. Thaba is the counsel for the state.
Who's Mr. J. Thaba?
My lord, Mr. Ravi Gurung's son, my lord. I just know that. I don't know his full name, my lord. J.C. Thaba. I didn't.
Where is he? He doesn't appear in
seen
court
him today, my lord.
So what do we do? If the government goes unrepresented?
My lord, it appears the matter has come only once, my lord. This is the second time, so we may be
Also, more important, if the matters come for second time for instructions or affidavit.
My lord, I hope Mr. Thaba must have received instruction on this, my lord.
The matter is fixed today for instruction affidavit by the learned government advocate. However, the conducted counsel is not present. List on Monday. Yes. Monday the 24th.
14.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Steps were taken, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing for the
One
private
second.
respondent, my lord.
1 second.
Yes,
4 and 5.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm UTDC, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm
4 and
seeking-
5, yes, Lordship.
1, 2, and 3, 4. Now, Mr. P.T. Sangma today has entered appearance on behalf of respondents 4 and 5. Such notice is complete on all the respondents.
Interim order may be continued.
You want to file affidavit? No.
I have not filed it. Today, I'll be
Filing,
filing.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'll be filing.
The
I'm seeking 2
respondents
weeks time,
counsel
Your
wants
Lordship.
pray for around how much time?
I will take only 1 week because there is interim
I'm
order is
seeking
there.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay. For 2 weeks time to file
Lordship.
affidavit. Prayers allowed. Interim order of any shall continue until the next date.
Lordship.
15.
Item 15, Lord.
Yes. What is the
relating to land issues, my lord? We need some more time to file affidavit in these two matters, my lord.
Yeah, for 1 to 6.
Already compulsory.
Number 789. 789.
This compensation has already been paid. There's some problem with this
Yes,
with the way
yes,
compensation is
yes,
paid
yes.
also. Some cases I've seen in another matter where argument given, they say compensation has been paid and the person says they have not got compensation.
This matter, what happened, my lord? This is concerning Ceylon Western Bypass. Initial award was 700 crore rupees, my lord. And then the central government informed the state government that that is not even the project cost. And the project cost include the construction work, my lord. And the state government revised the prices and reduced the prices to 450 crore something. Now they've come and asking for the entire amount of 700 crore.
But I mean the collector's assessment was at 700 crores.
700 crores.
For the entire stretch.
Only Ishka sales part, my lord. Because the stretch is also in the River district, my lord. The River district is, I don't know, the second item.
The stretch was also overvalued. And if they have grievance against the award, my lord, they have the remedy to approach the authority, my lord. But I would like to place all these facts before your lordship so that the matter can be disposed of on the next date of hearing, my lord, in item 15, 16 both.
Yes, Mr.
How much the compensation is going to actual landowners, my lord?
Yes.
How much compensation is going to actual landowners? No, my lord. It's all agents, my lord.
Just helping the, yes, that's correct also. In fact, you know, this comes such a stage where, you know, people are offering pieces of land for sale without landowners being aware about it. I know they are cheating people, you know, showing the land and saying that this land's for sale, taking the money and vanishing. So many cases are happening. Yes, Legal Advocate General for 1 to 6 and Senior Counsel Mr. Dr. Mosika for 7 and pray for not further 2 weeks time of instruction to file affidavit. There's that afterwards.
789, all three response.
Yes.
Yep.
15, 16, 7th first response.
15 and 16.
Yes.
17.
Amit, this is your lordship.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, in this case, your lordship, we have the instruction, your lordship. Lordship, we'd like to file our affidavit, your lordship.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, a certain plot of land have been donated by the writ petitioner, your lordship. Now they are demanding the job, your lordship.
You've given them the job?
Lordship, there is no such stipulation, your lordship. If lordship kindly come to page 175 of the writ petition. Lordship, before that, lordship kindly come to page 172, your lordship. This was the gift deed executed in the month of October 2016. Then lordship kindly come to page 175. That is the terms and condition, your lordship. Lordship kindly come to B.
Yes.
May I read it, your lordship? The donee may at all time hereinafter peacefully and quietly enter upon, take possession of the scheduled property and enjoy
20
the
acres.
lordship.
Is the construction of stadium?
Lordship,
Yes,
yes.
Your Lordship.
Then Lordship kindly come. Lordship kindly come to page.
Now, what are you asking for? Are you asking for a job?
For a
And
job,
we're
Your
seeking
Lordship.
compensation as well, Your Lordship.
And?
Compensation.
No, Your Lordship. Only for a job, Your Lordship. For a job. And compensation.
Compensation?
Lordship,
Given the land out of your own free will.
Lordship, Lordship will kindly come to page 21 of the writ petition. That is the prayer bid in the writ
No, they're
petition.
asking only 20,000 each.
20,000 each, Your Lordship.
Not for the land.
Then, Lordship kindly come to page 178, Your Lordship. 178. Then, Lordship, I'm taking Your Lordship, kindly come to page 179, Your Lordship. Lordship, second paragraph.
Yes.
Further, we have permitted the State Sport Council of Meghalaya, represented by Shri So-and-so, Junior, on behalf of the...
Fine. They have no objection to that. They say just give them some jobs.
Lordship, there is no such stipulation, Your
Why
Lordship.
can't you give them some job?
There is no stipulation, Your Lordship.
All other, you give PhCs or this and that. One job
The
given,
matter is
four
at
great
page
jobs.
183, Lordship.
Yes?
The issue arises at page 183.
There is no such stipulation, Your Lordship.
183, annexure 4. Subject, Lordship.
She was submitting, let her submit. Where do you come out suddenly? Sprung up.
No.
You continue, yes. You always give a chance, yes. Yes.
Just going to page number 183, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Forwarding 9 numbers of applications of landowners requesting to provide a service for one eligible member of the family in lieu of land donated for construction of football stadium at Bolsagri in Boldaraja Akhung, Southwest Garo Hills, as per the provisions of Para 7 of District Selection Committee procedure, Your Lordship.
So you made an application with Deputy Commissioner.
Yes.
So on the basis of this document, you come to this court. Yes, Mr.
And Your
Shulai,
Lordship may kindly come out.
How was it?
Lordship, they are bound by the terms and the condition stipulated in the gift deed, Your Lordship.
Was it answered or not? See, this was sent from Deputy Commissioner, sent to Director.
It's true, Your Lordship. It's true, Your Lordship.
Yes.
But the
Your
terms, because the term and condition stipulated in the gift deed, Your Lordship, does not mention about that employment, Your Lordship. It's very clear. They are governed, Your Lordship. They are bound by the terms and condition, Your Lordship.
And Your Lordship may kindly come to
20 acres of the land.
It's true, Your Lordship. It's true, Your Lordship. That they have done it voluntarily, Your Lordship, willingly, but
No,
not
affidavit.
Lordship.
Yes. We can maybe enlarge the scope of the decision. Yes, Mr. Shulai, please point out further AG so for 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
It'd be 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks? It's cut open and
Only
shut
2
case.
weeks. Only 2 weeks may be given, Your Lordship.
2016, Your Lordship. Now we are in 25, Your Lordship.
Okay, 3 weeks.
Highly apply, Your Lordship.
18.
Well, here we find an application for vacating the interim order. Well, there was a non-disclosure of a very important document.
Suppression of fact.
What is the matter about?
Well, I'll just take your lordship to.
One order, my lord.
May I just read the order passed by lordship, my lord, 17/12/24, which is at page 11 of the miss case, my lord.
Yes.
I'll just read this entire order, my lord. Heard Mr. So-and-so issue notice, Mr. So-and-so. On the fourth paragraph, the writ petitioners agreed with the corrigendum dated 14/12/24 issued to the advertisement dated 26/11/24 for recruitment and appointment of assistant teachers in Rajabala Higher Secondary School, Rajabala. Mr. So-and-so, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the said corrigendum is in violation of the order dated 28/11/24 passed by the respondent number 3, wherein the advertisement dated 26/11/24 had been directed to be kept in abeyance. He therefore prays that in the interim the corrigendum be stayed. Mr. So-and-so, learned AG, assisted by so-and-so, submits that it appears the order has been issued by the respondent number 3, but in spite of same, the corrigendum has been issued. He therefore concurs to the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner. On hearing the learned counsel for the parties and on examination of the materials on record, it is noted that the submission made by the learned senior counsel for the petitioner is correct, in as much as there is a categorical order dated 28/11/24 for keeping the advertisement in abeyance, but however, a corrigendum had been issued refixing the date for submission of application. Therefore, a prima facie case has been made out for some interim order. Accordingly, the corrigendum dated so-and-so shall remain state until so-and-so.
Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly come to page 13, my lord. This was the next page, my lord, page 13. This was the advertisement of 25/11/24. Now, Next page, my lord, kindly see 28/11/24. There was an order by the district school education officer.
Next page.
Page 14, my lord.
Yes.
Consequent to the letter number so and so dated Shillong so and so issued by the director so and so, the process of recruitment for appointment of estate teacher Rajabala advertisement on 26/11 in Shillong Times daily newspaper is hereby kept in abeyance until further orders.
Yes.
So this was kept in abeyance, my lord. This was placed before lordship, but this document was not placed, my lord. The next page, page 15. My lord.
Yeah.
In continuation to this office order number dated 28/11/24, the advertisement of Rajabala so and so is hereby allowed to continue with the recruitment process by strictly adhering to the NCT norms. This was not placed before lordship, and they placed the last page, my lord, page 16.
Yes.
This was because there was the process was kept in abeyance, so we extended the date, my lord, and they came and
So were you aware of this?
They did not place this document.
These two letters appears to be an afterthought, my lord, and appears to be a manufactured one. Why I'm saying this, my lord, is because, my lord, we kindly see page 14.
Yes.
There's a reference of a letter issued by the Director of School Education and Literacy. Whereas in page 15, my lord, there's no reasoning given as to why this order is passed, superseding the earlier order.
But the same authority is...
Unless it is to defeat the, my lord, frustrate the orders of this honorable court, my lord, this letter could not have been issued.
How can we?
Because they, my lord, in the earlier
forensic kind of exercise.
My lord, in the earlier order, there is a reference of the order issued by the director. What made him issue this order subsequently? There has to be some reason, my lord. There has to be some change of ground in order to pass this order.
My lord,
this order is completely non-speaking. Today he passes one order, the very next day he passes another order only because I approached this honorable court. I'll file a detailed affidavit, my lord. There are other communications also which I would like to place on record.
My lord. This was, and this is dated 11th, even before they approached this honorable court. And then
my lord, kindly see if it is a if it is an order.
My lord, it is not even comprehensible, my lord. If there is a advertisement is kept in abeyance, how can any authority issue an extension order, my lord?
No, my lord, kindly see if
anyway, you file a short affidavit, Miss Case number 21/2025.
This is the lordship. The request of the petitioner need
that yes, then let him come with we'll dispose of after 1 week. Yes.
Lordship.
Yes, Miss Case 21/2025. This is an application for modification, alteration, vacating the interim order dated 17/12/2024, passed by this court in the WPC number 477/2024. Stop, Ms. S. Thapa. Praise the allowed week's time to file a reply to the application. Praise allowed list after 1 week. Mr. Andy.
Let it be 2 weeks, my lord.
Just after 1 week, yes. You'll get 2 weeks only by the way the dates go. Next, sure. Praise allowed. Stop. Before list, Mr. Andy Shulainer AG has also reiterated his submissions with regard to challenge to the locus of the petitioner. The same also shall be looked into on the next date. Lists on so and so.
I'm highly obliged.
Interim may continue till then, ma'am.
Kindly grant 1 week only, my lord.
See, because it's
the recruitment process will stop.
Yes,
1 week.
1 week is.
Interim may kindly continue, my lord.
10 days. Interim order continue next year.
19.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, I have instructions to appear for the private respondent. I'm yet to receive the wakalat, so I'll file it on the next date, Lordship.
Lordship, I'm entering appearance on behalf
1 second.
of respondents 5 to 8 as well.
1 to 4. Last week you appeared 1 to 4.
I enter appearance for 1 to 4, Your Lordship.
1 to 4. You're for 5.
9. She's the
What's
wife.
the matter about?
Lordship, this is the matter whereby the private respondent have filed a multiple petition before different forum.
Yes. Mr. Ejushi today, as a appearance behalf of respondent number 9. Stop. It is also submitted by next ZE non-country that should be appearing for all the other remains 1 to 8. 1 to 8. Yes. As such, service is complete on all the respondents. What do you want?
Lordship, on the next date, I should file my wakalat.
Yes,
I'm yet to receive
not on
the
the next date. You file your affidavit and wakalat.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, as per my instructions, Your Lordship, the prayer of the petitioner is at page 15, Your Lordship, to drop the complaint case which is pending before the State Women's Commission, Your Lordship. As per letter enclosed at page 38, Your Lordship.
See, his complaint is only what? That he's committed some violence on his wife, correct? And so, one complaint was FRS filed in the women's police station in Tura. Now, on top of that, the other proceedings has been taken up by the Women's Commission. And he said he doesn't want. He said, okay, fine. You want to persecute me? Investigate. Do it one case, not for the same offence, like in three different areas.
Lordship, may I bring it this way? The petitioner has also filed counter FIR against the wife also in this case. So there are multiple cases going against both the parties.
So let it be under one investigating agency. How can how can it go through Shillong and Tura?
That's what. Yes. Let it be before Shillong only, Your Lordship.
Because the incident took place because we are the wife and husband. We have been permanently staying in Rongram Tura. Initially the FIR was filed against the petitioner by the private respondent in Rongram. Then it was proceeding. Now Lordship had actually pointed out that let them prosecute me. I will let there be a trial and investigation, but in the one court
proceeding there.
Yes.
That's why they filed other multiple complaints. That is why.
Yes. So now they have again. There is another complaint also registered before the one-stop center in Shillong.
Yes, one-stop center in East Castles.
Yes.
One-stop. Then in
another one is
Tura,
Women Commission.
Then the one before the Women's Commission.
Yes.
Lordship, the complaint before the Tura was never taken into action. Anything. So failing which
action, that means you have alerted you have recourse to to.
In the meantime, Lordship, the petitioner has filed. In the meantime, the writ petitioner has filed FIR against me also.
No, that is
before Rongram.
That is
alleging that I have
different case.
So
that is not before this court.
Can be taken by the same agency. Yes. Now, thing is that now you come and file another complaint for one-stop center in East Castles. Then you file another complaint before the Women's Commission.
Lordship, I may be allowed to take instructions.
The next, so
until and unless
Commission.
I do not have the complete brief as well.
The complaint before the Women's Commission is has been forwarded to the one-stop center, Your Lordship, because the private respondent here had said that she was feeling unsafe, Your Lordship. So
she was threatened also.
Orders, Your Lordship. So since the Women's Commission cannot pass such orders, it was
yes,
forwarded
it can take up civil matters. It can't pass orders on the nature of criminal proceedings. Yes.
Your Lordship, from the one-stop center, they had duly forwarded the case to the court, Your Lordship, and it's pending before the Judicial Magistrate First Class.
Lordship, she was threatened to an extent that she was not allowed to appear before the.
See, Mr. Johi, look at procedure here.
Yes,
now, so won't it be at cross purposes? Suppose in Rongram, another investigation going on out here. Once the court takes up the matter, then.
Lordship, simultaneously, I have filed 482 petition before the Honorable Court also to quash that particular FIR, and
so it gets more interesting then.
That's what.
So he'll file 482 also then next. Then what will happen?
Lordship, what has happened in that FIR was that
married to your wife.
Legally married.
They have 2 kids also, Lordship.
Legally married.
And now
so matrimonial dispute.
Now she is staying in Guwahati because
into such a fashion that it become statewide.
Yes. Legally married. Because that what she has filed, that is a different altogether. Maybe I have filed the FIR which I don't know, but I have filed against that FIR what my learned friend was saying.
What FIR do you file against your wife?
The petitioner has alleged that I have stolen some property from his house.
Some car, something.
And I was, rather the fact is that I was chased out from my place, Lordship. And now my business is being run by the writ petitioner, Lordship. And he's taking all the benefits of those business right now. And I'm left with penniless now.
Those things are just an allegation, Lordship. Because
and
it will be
to an
investigated.
Extent that, Lordship, when I wanted to comply with the 41 notice that was sent to me, I was threatened to appear before the police station as well.
Threatened to appear or asked to appear?
Threatened, Lordship, by the family members of the writ petitioner.
That is only an allegation.
I was chased out from the Rongram.
Okay, fine.
So that those are the things.
Lordship, I'll all this because you can't have multiple on the same allegation, multiple proceeding before different. Yes, so respondents pray for allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Much Lordship.
20.
Can't take a domestic dispute to such height.
Yes.
I am appealing for Maharashtra Police in this matter, responding to 4 years. And the instance which petition has been filed against the freezing of the account by Maharashtra Police, my lord.
Yes.
And I have filed the detailed counter affidavit pointing out the role of the petitioner in the crime of my lord. And in fact, certain separation of facts are also there.
Where
But
you are
first
appearing
I
for Reserve Bank?
Number
Hard
4,
code,
madam.
my lord,
Number
responsible
4.
4 is additional. Okay. Dr. Mozika, you are appearing for 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
I'm entering appearance for respondent number 3, my lord.
Bank. Yes. Yes.
My
And
lord,
5.
So, my lord.
5, my lord, is a pro forma. The service does not appear to be complete as yet. We've taken steps.
Yes, what do you say?
In collusion with my lord. Performer is also in collusion with the petitioner, my lord. If your lordship would see, the prayer in this case is that freezing of the bank account by Maharashtra police, and defreezing, and he says that he has no role, my lord. And if I take your lordship to my counter affidavit, kindly see 2-3 paragraphs, paragraph 9, my lord. Paragraph 8, my lord. Paragraph 8 at page 4.
What kind of business are you engaged in?
My lord, grocery business. My lord, we've received
grocery business?
Yes, my lord, wholesale. My lord, we've received the copy of the affidavit filed yesterday.
Where? Which page? Which page?
Page 4, my lord, paragraph 8, my lord. That it is submitted that a complaint dated 16th October 2023 was lodged by the complainant Priya Priya, resident of the Wardha, Maharashtra, under Wardha police station, stating that complainant was cheated and duped of 4,67,000 by an online company under the pretext of offering part-time job. On the complaint lodged by the complainant, an offence of crime number so and so was registered, my lord, FIR. Now, kindly see paragraph 9. It is submitted that complainant stated that she transferred the amount from her bank account to Canara Bank branch Wardha in various transactions to various banks. It is submitted that during the investigation it was revealed that the amount paid by the complainant in the present case crime are initially diverted in the bank account of Jaipur, Indore, Ratlam. On 25th September 23, an amount of 50,000 was transferred to Akash Developers and Akash Par, who was having bank account with Punjab National Bank account number so and so. Now, 10 Milord Road. It is submitted that during the investigation, the National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal showed that amount of 2 lakh was transferred from the bank account of Akash Par to bank account number so and so, which is in name of the petitioner with the State Bank of India branch at Shillong. It is submitted 11. That in order to track the money trail, the State of Bank of India was directed by additional so and so to seize the account number operated by petitioner. It is thus submitted that the entire investigation and all actions have been taken by Maharashtra Police, my lord. That in 12 minutes, it is submitted.
So you mean to say that he's a kingpin of this cyber crime syndicate? That all the amounts are going to him?
That aspect will be investigated. What is his role? That crime portal, my lord, crime portal has reported, my lord, cyber crime portal.
Then you have to make them a party also.
My lord, just 2 submissions, my lord.
And
you impede them, the National Crime Bureau portal.
My lord, let him finish.
And moreover, my lord, this writ petition is, in my humble submission, not maintainable before this honorable court because the action has been taken under section 106 of BNSS. The lordship kindly see the section 106 of BNSS.
What does it say?
6 of BNSS, my lord. Section 106 of.
What does it say?
It says that, my lord, the jurisdictional court will go to the jurisdictional court.
Maharashtra.
The action has, because all these actions are being taken by police in terms of the power conferred on the police under section 106 of BNSS.
Let him file a reply.
My friend has filed a civil writ also, my lord. I don't know how civil writ is maintainable in criminal matter.
Are we disposing the matter today, ma'am?
And I am relying on few judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court saying that in these matters he has to go to the jurisdictional court only, my lord.
Okay, let him reply. Yes, Dr. Mozika, you anything to say? No.
No, ma'am.
State Bank.
Lordship, not as of the moment, my lord. I'll seek instructions.
Yes, affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondent number 4, to which Mr. Azindal Praise will have 2 weeks time to file a reply. Stop. Notice on the performed response is not complete. Stop. With regard to the other respondents represented by Dr. N. Mozika and Ms. NG Shila submit that at this stage they will not be filing affidavits. So in this matter of 2 weeks, for rejoinder and for service report on spot number 6.
Respond number 6 is not set up by, my case is that respond number 6 is set up by.
Naturally, he's a pro forma, that's why. Yes,
Pro forma, my lord. So therefore.
Second call, item number 1.
No, I was hearing it because you see, there's a heavy trend now. So in these matters,
It's
so
a very
court has to be
it's a very limited case before my lord. We are not challenging the investigation.
This cyber kind of fraud, I think it's
So the allegation is there is some fraud of
people who got deported back from USA.
Absolutely, the allegation is
I'll be filing cases against those travel agents.
We that might be the consequence at some point. A pleasure.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. This is a writ petition by the university, EPF, regarding, my lord, the collection of EPF, assessment of EPF.
You draw it or what?
No, my lord. Assessment of EPF, my lord, because they have made an assessment for the period.
No, that's what. She has also made a pointed submission last date that you have recourse to appeal, as in other matters.
Lordship.
Recourse to appeal.
My lord.
Yes, so how do you answer that?
My lord, the law has been well settled, my lord. This is, my lord, an assessment made under, my lord, both under my assessment for my lord.
7Q and 14B.
14B, your lord.
Yes.
Now, my lord, 14B, my lord, is not appealable, your lord. So far, assessment of interest is concerned, my lord, this is not appealable. Now, my lord, the Supreme Court has, my lord, taken stock of this kind of situation. What happened? The Supreme Court has held, if there is a composite order, my lord, then, my lord, they say the appeal will lie. But if it is not a composite order, appeal will not lie.
How do you say that?
Well, there is the judgment is there.
What judgment is that? Let's see.
My lord, I don't know, today she is supposed to file an affidavit. I don't know, questioning all those things. She has not filed any affidavit.
You file affidavit?
No, Lordship. I have not filed affidavit, but Lordship, the maintainability challenge remains, Lordship, because this case, Lordship, if the maintainability has to go.
Then
if
you
the
file your objections on maintainability by affidavit. We'll take that up first. Yes, MSP Varsaji praised that she went out to bring on record affidavit challenging the maintainability of the petition. So he praised for another 2 weeks' time for the same. Just thereafter.
Well, there is an interim order too.
There's an interim order?
Yes.
Interim orders of any shall continue next date, yes.
My lord, only thing, your lordship, my lord, first part of March, my lord, I have some personal difficulties. So if it come on the 3rd week of March, I won't be here, your lordships.
Doesn't matter, it'll come up, we'll adjourn it.
Well,
she'll be there.
Oh, my lords. Oblige.
Hearing 24.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I seek for accommodation in this
Why?
matter. Your Lordship, the DSGI is on Lex, Your Lordship.
Because you don't need to make the submissions here, only you have to bring authorities. Where are authorities?
Your Lordship, on the last hearing also, few months ago, Your Lordship, I have supplied authorities, Your Lordship.
Where no authorities?
It must be there in the duty
You
file.
supplied authorities?
Yes, Your Lordship.
That's it, it was Rashmi Jadhav?
No, Your Lordship.
Oh, Shiv Shankar?
One is State of Karnataka versus Shiv Shankar. One is Air Customs versus Begamin.
There's no record. 50% means you have to serve 50% of the.
Your Lordship, in State of Karnataka and Shiv
How many years was the offence? I mean, this what's the penalty?
Your Lordship, it was 1 year.
1 year?
Minimum 1 year. Maximum was 7 years.
Okay. Listed after 1 week on the prayer of your name?
Emerchan.
Emerchan, who submits that he says not available at the moment.
Your Lordship, I'll submit the authorities now, so that.
Same authorities?
Yes, I'll just supply again.
Yes, submit. You gave them a copy?
I have given them a copy.
27.
Yes. Oblige, Your Lordship.
My lord, the issue here is non-payment of a salary to a assistant teacher.
Where was the Pandey?
He is not. Because the order was there, my lord, very clear.
Where's Mr. Pandey? You seen last order? Where's the Kharmi?
Lordship, he has some personal difficulties.
And who's you? Are you conducting the case?
Lordship, I've been instructed by him.
Then Mr. Keep is appearing for whom?
Lord, the same. He seems he is appearing them.
Where's the Kharmi?
He has some personal difficulties, my lord. Lordship,
The
it was for
affidavits are on board, my lord.
No, but I don't want him to come and cry later on if the order goes against him.
Because there's already one
Disable
order.
the whole court, yes.
There was already one order passed.
Take it up after 1 week, yes.
After 1 week,
in the absence of the Common Council for 1, 2, 3. So it is the matter shall proceed ex parte against the what does Mr. Pandey represent? Which bridge respondent?
There's only Mr. Pandey. Karbi is for the government, madam.
Mr. Pandey is for the managing committee, respondents number 4.
Anyway, yes, it's up to 1 week. You don't come next week, we'll hear ex parte.
28.
Against number 4, I mean.
28.
Your Lordship, the private respondent has filed the affidavit. I have received the affidavit just today.
Who has
So
filed?
in
Mr.
fact-
Lasongluya? You
in
filed
fact-
just today the affidavit?
It was.
Why?
It was up to the government, not to me, Lordship. So I have received the today.
When did you file it?
It filed last year, Lordship.
You didn't serve it to the petitioner?
Today, while I was going through then affidavit, I'll need some time, Lordship.
Mr. S.A. Sheikh submits that he has just received a copy of the
Respondent 5.
affidavit filed by respondent number 5. He prays for about 2 weeks' time to peruse and to file a joint if necessary. List this matter in orders column after 2 weeks, yes.
All right.